Mr. Amitabh Chaturvedi, the founder and the director of InnovaPoint Infotech Private Limited. He is a mechanical engineer turned IT expert. He did his engineering at NIT Bhopal in 1992 and started his job with Bajaj Auto, Pune, and later worked with Ashok Leyland Infotech, Atos and SPX Flow. He worked in the US for 9 years and has a rich and unique combination of manufacturing, ERP implementation and information technology experience. Last 16 years, he has been helping Indian and global automotive clients, including Bosch USA, with their Industry 4.0 and IT needs. Today, Mr. Vijay will talk about traceability solution to enhance production efficiency. So delegates, let's welcome Mr. Amitabh.
So SF Hawk actually is a generic platform which can be applied to any kind of industry. Right now, we are focused around automotive machine shops, automotive assembly lines. So it is built top of these 4 pillars, which is the real-time data collection, the wireless data transfer, the storage, and of course the presentation or the analytics layer. Now, on top of these 4, we are adding industry solutions one after another. So we started with the machine shop solution, where it helps the clients or industry in terms of optimizing their efficiency, quality, traceability, and all other key things that we have been talking. And then the second solutions which we have developed is around the packaging, which includes, as I was talking in the previous point, which includes complete, like I call it, Janam Kundli of the part. So right from the beginning, from the birth of the part, the raw material, and when we are shipping it, so we ship the right part, which has passed all the possible, all the quality gates. So that's the second solution, where we integrate the gauges with CNC machines and all of that. The foundry solution we have come up with, which we are in talks, the same way with the assembly line. So this is what SFOC, and then on top of it, there are various common features around it. So the efficiency monitoring, production monitoring, energy integration with the ERP system and such. And then because it is our own solution, we have completely designed the hardware as well. The hardware is getting assembled, the IoT gateway we call it, is so we can customize it, and which is what is being greatly appreciated by our clients. So anyway, so this is what the platform is about, and I'm going to stop my screen now. So talking about how traceability can improve or the optimizing the efficiency. So I'll start with a real case study or real success story that we had. So one of our clients in Kolhapur region, they wanted to test SFOC. So they decided to put it on a robotic cell. So it's a cell of few machines where the arm, the robot, is moving all the material between the machines, and there is no human intervention, at least when the machining is happening. And it's a 24/7 continuous operations. And they wanted to see, like they said, let me see how your system can improve the productivity of this cell, which is fully automated. Now, believe it or not, after 2 months, they reported that their productivity has improved by 8%. Now, 8% productivity improvement where it's a completely automated cell is a huge thing. So we were also very excited, and we wanted to learn is how you did and how our system helped. So in short, the way it helped them is, one is, earlier, before they put SFOC into their factory, they didn't have the data around how many times the cell is stopped. So they started, once they started getting data, they realized, okay, one person will come, stop the cell and do the cleaning, then cell will start, then the second person will come and then he will remove the scrap, then third person will stop. So it was, randomly the cell was getting stopped. So then they took this action, they combined all of them, consolidated their operation. They stopped the cell for certain time where all the people of different different departments or whatever, they come and they do their task. So this has really helped because they didn't have the visibility of how much time they were losing. The second aspect, which is again I'm coming to the human aspect, is the way we have designed SFHawk is we give a real time view of the machine next to the machine. So the operator or whoever is around the area, they see the real time, how much is the production, what's the OE, who is working, the operator efficiency and all of that in real time. So that has improved, or that rather has incentivized, or that has motivated the operator to perform better, because now he can actually see how well he is doing. Or it could be the other way also, that now he is forced to do better because his measurements are right in front of everyone's eyes. So that's another reason, and that's not only one place. Actually, it is so interesting that we have actually seen that even during the pilot period, we put pilot for few days at whoever asked for, and during the pilot period the productivity improves just because the operator is now see his own measurements right in front of him. So that's how these are just some simple examples. We are now talking with clients. They want our system to be used for the incentive programs. So now a very transparent process. The operator is also seeing his performance, his production, his productivity. So there is no conflict because it's all real time, it's all accurate. So there are various things you can do on improvising or improving the productivity. But this is just some example to share with you. I'll be happy to take any questions. Thank you.